Hello everyone. Today I will show you a possible trading opportunity in GBP New Zealand. First, let's go to chart. Okay, start from the weekly chart. When we look for a trade, we look for a trading opportunity. We always look with the context. If market context is not with us, we will not trade the trade, even if it's a good setup. Here it say let's check the context. We are currently on weekly chart. Here we can see is a good amount of resistance that's been broke and made resistance here. Is been tested here and is been broke here. What this means, this level has been worked as a support here, as a breakout here, as a support here as well. We are looking for the information as much as we can in our chart. We are in weekly chart and we are watching the market for January 2013, so that's enough for us to look for the back testing of that level. Okay, let's go to daily chart and we look how market is being reacting at this support area. Here is as we have been we can see here there's been a good amount of resistance area. This market halted here for several times and then is broke that level below and bring the market down to more than 1,000 pips. And here what you see here, market again reaches this area. This area market reaches here, but here is been halted without testing the resistance area. This means market is planning to do something when it reaches to the resistance. It is not testing the resistance, it is near the resistance, is been halting, is a sign of the buyers are very strong at this area. Buyers are preparing for something, and the result, we got a breakout. And it's quite strong breakout. As you can see, 1 2 3 4, there's been a weak market broke above the area and the market stays there for more than a month, I hope. Let's have a look here. For 53 days market is 53 trading days market is above the resistance area. That is an indication that market has been honored this area and this been become a good amount of support zone. Okay, we see after the breakout market made a retest that area but didn't break. Then market make a new high, and all the thing is happening above this resistance area, previous resistance area, and now market is coming back to the new support zone, which has been broken here, tested here, and now make a rejection at this area. This is indicating that market is becoming slow. The sellers are becoming slow at this area. This is indicating that we might go for long at this area for at least 400 to 600 pips. Okay, let's go to H4 and look at the chart. We see this is the support zone that we are talking about. It's been worked as a support here, and same thing is happening here. This is called one kind of double top, double bottom or something, and here we see some indecision forming in H4 candle, several indecision forming here, and we get a seller pushing it down and buyer took the control over it, and this is indicating that the sellers trying to push the market down, but suddenly buyers are taking over the control, and then we are looking forward for a test of the total scenario here, and 50% of the total scenario in this area. We look for a retest, and we used a buy limit. It's just for testing buy limit, and our target will be near about 600 pips. Okay, there we know there is a risk management as well. You see our stop loss is below the recent low, below the recent low here, yesterday low, and our stop loss is below the 24 pips of the recent low, yesterday low. So that is indicating if market becomes very volatile, then we'll got stop out of 80 pips at this area, and after the volatility we will look forward what market does. Does it gonna break test take the stop loss and go back? We will buy then, and if we see a big breakout, a strong breakout at this area down there, we will wait for market to establish below the support, this support area that will be resistant that time. Like this, here market broke and established, it's a long time established above the area, and here for sell we'll need to break the market strongly, and we need to establish the market below the area for a at least a week, then we will go for short. And either side there is opportunity for 400 to 600 pips either side, so that's been a good trading opportunity coming for the first month of Jan. Thank you.